In today's video, you will learn how to add transition in CapCut PC. Transitions are one of the easiest ways to make your videos feel smoother and more professional because they help blend one clip into the next instead of creating an abrupt cut. Whether you are editing YouTube videos, short-form content, vlogs, gaming clips, or cinematic edits, transitions can improve the overall flow of your project and make the viewing experience feel much more polished. CapCut includes a large collection of transitions that can be applied quickly and customized to match your editing style. To begin, make sure you already have at least 2 clips placed next to each other on your timeline. Transitions work between 2 clips, so you need a point where one clip ends and another begins. Once your clips are positioned correctly, move to the top left section and click on the Transitions tab. Inside this area, you will see many different transition styles available to use. These are organized into categories, making it easier to find transitions that match the mood and pacing of your video. Some transitions are available for free, while others may require the Pro version. But there are still plenty of free options that work really well for most projects. You can browse through the categories and preview different transitions before choosing one. Some transitions are smooth and subtle, while others are more dramatic and energetic. Choosing the right transition depends on the style of your content. For example, smoother transitions often work better for tutorials and cinematic videos, while faster transitions can fit gaming edits or short-form content. Once you find a transition you like, click on it and drag it directly into the split between your 2 clips on the timeline. As soon as you place it there, the transition will automatically connect both clips together. You can then preview your video to see how the transition looks in motion. If you want to customize it further, click directly on the transition layer. This will open additional settings on the top right side. From here, you can adjust the duration of the transition to make it faster or slower depending on the effect you want. Shorter transitions usually create a quicker and more energetic feel, while longer transitions can look smoother and more cinematic. Some transitions may also include additional effect settings that you can tweak for a more customized result. Once everything looks good, preview the clips again to make sure the transition feels natural and matches the pacing of your edit. And that is how you add transitions in CapCut PC to create smoother and more professional looking videos.